Andy, what does Santa say? Andy. Andy, what does Santa say? Andy. That's right. Ho, ho, ho. Say it again. Oh, oh, oh. Are you tired? You want to go night-night? Can you say night-night? Can you say night-night? Nice. Sorry, Nana. Sorry, Papa. Sorry, Amy, Auntie Sherry. Andy, can you say night-night? Can you say Nana?
Yeah.
Can you say Papa?
Papa.
Can you say tie-tie?
Yeah.
Can you say book?
Bug.
Ball?
Ba.
Can you say hot?
Ah.
What else can you say? Can you say boo-boo?
Baba.
Can you say baby?
Baba.
Baba. Sounds like boo-boo. Can you say more?
Ma.
You say milk? Milk? Say milk.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That's about as good as we get. Can you say bye-bye? No? All right.